Welcome to another custom mobility video. Here's a beautiful 2020 Chevy Traverse SUV modified with a Freedom Motors rear entry ramp. The ramp opens with the push of a button. This vehicle's easy to enter as it has a 53-inch door height, giving you plenty of headroom, and it has a 35-inch wide ramp, which is easy to navigate. This Traverse gets an estimated 27 miles to the gallon in highway driving and has just over 8,400 miles. It is equipped with keyless ignition, cruise control, the Chevy Infotainment 3 system, Bluetooth wireless and hotspot connectivity, and there are USB and auxiliary connections all throughout. This vehicle has some nice safety features as well. It has a built-in wheelchair securement system, a rear backup camera, stability control, 4-wheel ABS, and traction control. Rugged, sporty, and spacious. If you have a taste for adventure, Freedom Motors modified Chevy Traverse will have you and your family traveling the open road in style. So come on in to Custom Mobility and check this one out. And as always, thanks for watching.